Can people expect to get better sleep by using the X39 patch?
Yes, actually, many people are reporting better sleep just with using the X39. And many people also notice longer sleep, longer nights of sleep, and also dreaming. People are dreaming again. And that shows that you are in a deeper state. And you want to get into that deep sleep state so that you can really heal. At night is when we repair. So we want to have good sleep, deep sleep, and the X39 is helping a lot of people with that.
Where do you recommend applying the patch?
Based on studies by the company, there's 2 recommended sites. One is on the back of the neck at C7, which is normally a little bump that you feel on the back of the neck. Most people have it. It's right there. The other location is just below the belly button. These 2 locations are acupuncture points and have shown great benefits in wearing those 2 locations. However, you can place it anywhere. You can place it anywhere on the body. If you have an injury, you can place it directly on that injury.
People interested in a Lifewave X39 patch, how can they get a hold of you?
So if you want to call me and you have questions about the patches, maybe your particular application, what's good for you, you can contact me at 714-863-5959. Or you can email me at agelesshealthcoach@gmail.com. So, that's if you want to talk to me personally. I can help guide you on what patches would be good for you. And then if you want to go find out more information on your own, go to startx39.com, and that's for information only. If you want to order patches on your own, you can go to lifewave.com/Dr. Stem Cell.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to follow Dr. Rhonda Donahue on both Facebook and Instagram. To contact Dr. Rhonda Donahue, you can either click the link on the Instagram bio, and on Facebook, click on the About page. Thank you very much for watching.